Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making such fabric flowers from scrap fabric. Here, I am taking 8 cm square fabric. You can take any dimension of your choice and I'm marking 4 points here like this. And I'm going to join these points roughly to form a circle like this. And cut the fabric along the marked line. Now with the help of needle and thread, I am going to give a running stitch at the end of the circular fabric. Now here I have kept the wrong side of the fabric out upwards. I'll continue stitching until I reach the starting point where I started stitching. Now I'll pull the fabric such that the fabric curls up at the center like this. Now the flower is almost ready. Now to keep the flower in place, I am going to give 2-3 stitches at the center. To decorate the flower, I am using a pearl. You can use any beads or buttons of your choice. Here I am finishing the flower with the knot. Next, I'll be making a 2-layered flower. Now, I am taking a 12 cm square fabric to make a flower slightly bigger than the previous one and repeating the same procedure as before. Our flower is almost ready. Now I am going to layer this flower with the flower that I have made already, such that we get a 2-layer flower. securing the flower with the knot. Now this is a 2-layered flower. Similarly, I have made 3-layered flower as well. I have used these flowers on the sling bag that I have made. You can use these flowers on your kurtis, frocks, pouches, etc. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.